That's not a bad belt.
That is not a fucking lane, dude.
Wow.
I coughed politely to make him aware of my approach. I didn't want an old man's heart attack from fright weighing on my conscience.
What the fuck?
He was probably a local villager waiting on his wife, since electricity and running water was scarce in the scattered collection of homes
What
in the area.
actual fuck, dude?
He didn't seem to notice.
Dave and Chuck the Freak. 9:49 on a Friday, bitches, on Dave and Chuck the Freak. As we continue right now, we just want to remind you that tonight, our Peep Show Live happens at 7 p.m.
Paralyzed by my fear, and 2 sets of long, spindly fingers slowly wrapped around the edge of the open door.
What the fuck?
Not sleeping, are you, Jackie?
Look at the big 36-inch, 12.99. It's 24-inch.
Because he was
36-inch, $34. You saw one there? Yeah,
I didn't know that.
This is 36-inch. And the medium one. Oh, you get both. You get both.
Not a great money manager, that guy, huh?
No, you know what? Sometimes you need someone in charge, you know? Sometimes you need to let someone else take the reins. He says it's got to be rigged.
Man.
Of course it's a carnival game! It's rigged, yeah! They're all rigged! Oh, I hope this wasn't his scheme to be like, I'll say I lost all my money, and then I'll say it's rigged, and then...
Turning? What are you fucking doing?
Should I go? Lead the way. Give a fuck either way. Don't be coming in my space. You don't wanna get my germs and get the fuck about my face. Yeah, I'm known to take shots. Give a fuck if you're way far. My Picatinny rails got a scope where the blades are. A Second Amendment supporters loading my AR and bow. Blow your ass right off of the race.
People in the road during green light. What is fucking going on? No, dude. Seriously.
All you need is the person your mom made. Take a big leap, local.
Double parking. Bro.
Big squad or something. I have to go. My stomach churned for the better part of the rest of the afternoon. It was a struggle to push the feeling of discomfort that came along with the abrupt end to the phone call with my mother. I was able to force it to the back of my mind.
That's not for you, bro. Idiot. What the fuck? Stop there. What the hell? Yes, but that's not okay.
number. Can I call about your driving?
What the fuck?
You should watch it drop you below. Got to been a motherfucking second that I'm out of control. With all the goddamn weeping, know that I got lots of your goals. Just because it's never been done, man, it doesn't mean that I won't make it happen. I know I will make it happen if I
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, 30,000 in the pocket, no change. Okay, I might pass the ball, but this is no game. Okay, all my girls, they love and hate me. This is the face. You hate when you try. I'm at the top, but I know you want to change. Cause nobody's around, so you can make your money on the ground.
There's a left lane right there. Not with a car yet. Okay, why are you stopping? Dude. Fuck you.
Learn to laugh a little bit. This shit is good for your health. If you can't take a joke, you need to take a look at yourself. Shit, if I didn't have the haters, then I would probably withdraw. Shit, dog. Honestly, I would probably miss y'all. Haters, really, please promise me you'll never quit, y'all. Here, I'll make fun of me.
Dude.
Census Street. Continue on Census Street.
Sort of anal in a lot of ways.
Yeah, he just didn't want the same things that we wanted, or I wanted.
He's actually surprisingly kind of messy for somebody who you would think would be like pretty neurotic.
What, the mac and cheese? Fuck off, dude.
People are running for their lives. Well, they think it's going to be an earthquake. So that or the thing that's going to topple down. So, the NFT represents the official version of it. So for whatever reason, it's worth more. Come true, but I don't got a deal on the table. A label? I see you don't need a label. Are you kidding me? All you need is you. All you need is you.
Hi, man.
All you need is you. Thank you. They're talking about and playing our favorite peep show moments from the past year, and we want you to be there with us. All the details, daveandchuckthefreak.com, but again, 7 o'clock tonight, our free live-streamed Peep Show Live. Coming up right now, we've got a check of the news. Dark-sided crime is a Florida couple accused of. Do you live in one of... My mama dreams, time to sleep. Like royalty, King Bear with a drama queen. Princess on top of me, stopping me. I'm in that shit there like in-depth psychology. Hold up. What the fuck you really want to say to the kid? Go to the kid. Matter of fact, just want to say to a bitch who take the bed.
Here at Mark Motors. Mark, we've seen other dealers with only 2 or 3 used cars on their lot. Why would anyone go anywhere but Mark Motors? Don't settle for a limited selection at the other dealerships. Come to Sanford and get the one you really want. Choose from a...
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. I need to stop. Like, go or don't go.
Did I be ordering for the link that I went to? Pausing is not an option, my start button is broken. So why your game's frozen, I'm sparking up an explosion. My red dick revolving, targeting my opponents. Your boy is sicker than COVID, no argument, I'm the chosen. Approaching the top, so the hate I handle it often. But
was gonna do it.
Okay, he's not fucking going.
Nope. That's fucking 100 people in the car next to us. What? What?
Okay, bitch.
Okay.